And does it hold? What the heck? It's not really holding a PCGS holder. What is going on here? Is this a Rattler holder? What? It is. All right, so here's a regular PCGS slab. And look how thin the ridges are compared to, see how thick a real PCGS. Yeah, this is a Rattler holder. Holy smokes. Is this worth big money, guys? I've never seen this. So this obviously came out in the, was it the late 80s when PCGS came out? And this is where you put a Rattler inside. Again, I've never seen this, guys. This might be $100 plus wooden box. So, all right. Well, appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Really cool stuff I got from the seller. Big giant pile. I've got a list, and this alone, I think, is at least $100. But again, there's no comps on eBay. I'm going to show this to my LCS, not the owner's sons either, because they're younger than I am. Well, yeah, they're way younger than me. So I'm going to show this to the owner and see if he's ever seen this. But this is solely to hold Rattlers, because this is the newer design, and even like the old green ones don't fit that. So we shall see. All right, catch you on the next one.